welcome to my channel. I am Rosie O. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet top. I'm going to make it in medium size, but I'm also going to show you how to adjust it to other sizes. I'm going to begin by making 2 rows of fishnet stitch and continue upwards. Here I have extended double crochets. You can add or remove rows right here if you want to make it longer or shorter. Then I'm going to continue to the spider stitch design. Let me show you a close-up of the center. It is the same on the back. Under the arm, the edging, the sleeves. The sleeves are made separately. You can also choose to make it sleeveless. Regarding the adjustment to other sizes, I made this top with a 4.25mm hook. It measures 32 inches by 16. I'm going to make the tutorial with a 4.5mm hook, and it's going to give me 34 inches by 17. You can also adjust this pattern without changing the design by using a smaller thread. I don't recommend using a thicker thread because it's going to be too heavy. For larger sizes using the same yarn, I'm going to include a small video at the end of the playlist showing you how to make increases on the sides. Nothing else is going to change on the pattern other than increases on both sides. I'm going to be using 2.5 skeins of this cotton blend yarn. The recommended hook size is 4.5mm. I'm going to be using the 4.5 and the 3.75. Scissors and a tapestry needle. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to begin by making a slip knot. Using the 3.75mm hook, I'm going to make 264 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead, continue. Make a total of 264 chains and see you at the end. I completed 264 chains. Made sure that my work is straight. I'm going to make a slip stitch in the first chain. To begin row 1, I'm going to make 1 single crochet in the same space. Chain 5. Skip 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next space. Chain 5. Skip 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next space. Chain 5. Skip 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next space. Chain 5. Skip 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next space. Chain 5. Skip 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the next space. Go ahead, continue repeating the same sequence and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end of the row. Instead of making 5 chains, I'm only going to make 2 chains. Treble crochet in the first single crochet I made at the beginning. This counts as my last 5 chains. I counted my stitches. I have 44 chain 5 spaces. This is the end of row 1. To begin row 2, I'm going to make 1 single crochet in the same space. Make sure it looks centered. Chain 5. single crochet in the next space, chain 5, single crochet in the next space, chain 5, single crochet in the next space, chain 5, single crochet in the next space. Go ahead, continue repeating the same sequence, and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end. I made my last 5 chains. I'm going to make a slip stitch on the first single crochet I made at the beginning. I counted my stitches. I have 44 chain 5 spaces. This is the end of row 2. To begin row 3, I'm going to switch my hook. I'm going to use 4.5 millimeters. I'm going to make 1 slip stitch to the next chain. Single crochet in the same space, make it slightly loose. Chain 1, make it slightly loose. 2 extended double crochets in the same space. 1, 2. The first stitches count as my first extended double crochet. 3 extended double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, 3. 3 extended double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, 3. 3 extended double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, 3. 3 extended double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, continue repeating 3 extended double crochets in each of the spaces, and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end of row 3. I made my last 3 extended double crochets. I'm going to close this row by inserting my hook in the top 2 loops of the stitches I made at the beginning, right here, before the next extended double crochet. Grab my working thread, insert it through those 2 loops, adjust the thread, single crochet in the same space, make it slightly loose. This is the method I use to close my rows. You can use whatever method works for you. I counted my stitches. I have 132 extended double crochets. This is the end of row 3. To begin row 4, I'm going to chain 1, slightly loose. Extend the double crochet in the next space. 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 Go ahead, continue working 1 extended double crochet in each of the spaces till you reach the end. I am here at the end of row 4. I am going to close this row different than the previous one. I'm going to make 1 slip stitch on the top loops of the stitches I made at the beginning. As I told you before, you can use whatever method of your choice to begin and end your rows. In order for me to continue straight, I alternate the way that I close row 3. I repeat the same method on row 5. I'm going to repeat this method of closing on row 4 on row 6. And that is how I continue alternating 1 and 1. To begin row 5, I'm going to insert my hook in the 2 loops before my hook. It is tricky. Here. Bring my thread to make 1 single crochet. Chain 1. This counts as my first extended double crochet. Extended double crochet in the next space. 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 Rows 5 through 12 are a repeat of row 4. I'm going to have 132 extended double crochets on each row. So go ahead, continue repeating row 4 and see you at the end of row 12. If you like my content, I appreciate it if you like, comment, share and subscribe. It helps my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.